Hey guys, welcome back. Phillip Haumesser here, and today I'm going to show you how to change or enhance eye color in Photoshop. Sometimes you just have somebody with some kind of dull eyes, or you just want to kind of spice up the image a little bit when you're retouching. And you've got some nice clear eyes. You just boost the colors a little bit in those. It will really stand out. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's go ahead and jump in to Photoshop. So I pulled up one of my favorite photos here because I've got such a clear eye in this photo. So we're going to come in here and do some enhancement here. So first thing I'm going to do is duplicate my layer, and I'm going to actually open an empty layer, and I'm just going to start playing around with color. Now she already has somewhat of a blue eye, so I'm more or less going to boost the colors a little bit and just kind of make some interesting colors in there. So let's grab our brush tool, pressing B, and come over here and click our little color palette over here, and grab a blue color, and I'm just going to start painting some lines on her eye here. Some little squiggly lines. You can already see a bunch of like squiggly lines in her eyes. This is kind of the way the eye looks. So I'm going to try to match that. Oops. And let's grab maybe a green color. Just grab some green and just mix some green in between the blue. I just want some kind of crazy colors here. see what we can do here with this eyeball. Get a little bit of color in there, and I'm going to there's some yellow in here close to the iris there, so I'm going to really enhance that. I want to bring out that yellow, so I'm going to grab yellow, and actually I'm going to grab my eraser tool. I kind of went a little overboard right here, get a little too close, so I'm going to erase some of that. Go back to my brush tool and just paint that in. And I'm going to kind of have that leak into the blue and the green. Okay. And maybe just put some little kind of patches of yellow just here and there. There. And now, let's go up here to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. We'll just blur that out a little bit. That might be a little bit too much. Just drop it down. It's going to be like an avatar eye. We'll drop that down to like, let's say 3. And change the blending mode to Overlay. So there we go. Might blur it out just a little bit. You can still see the squiggly lines. You can just apply a little bit more blur to it. Oh, that's pretty good. And there you go. And if that's too much, you can always drop the opacity down to blend it in a little bit more. So here's our before and here's our after. So now I just got that some crazy colored eye there. So you can just play around with that, and you can change eye color, you can enhance the colors, you can just do some wild colors, do some interesting things there. So I hope that helps you guys out. Hope you can do something with that. We can go ahead and wrap this up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the videos as they come out. I'm going to try to start doing these kind of little quick tip videos as often as I can, and start getting those out there. So I'm going to go ahead and go, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.